Love Clark. We got chemtrails. We got one going right there. You can see it off afar. And we got our best friends going by. Military vehicles. Military vehicles rolling by. Alright. And chemtrails. Isn't that pleasant? Let's look at the chemtrails. Do I hear another one? Look again. Two things at once. Two birds with one stone. Chemtrails and militaries. Huh. Interesting. Two birds with one stone, people. Oh, look at this gadget. That's a cool gadget. Yeah. See how armored they are? And school buses going by. Bye, kids! My kids just went to school. Here goes my pops. And I should have wore shoes because I got a goat head in my foot. Alright. And we got all these chemtrails starting. So, as always, they'll start somewhere else in the sky. Just to spite me. But I came out further and see, yeah, they did. See, look, over there. Anyway, there's more trails. I walked over here where you can see more of the sky, and there's more trails over here than just there where you saw initially. So, yeah, we saw a lot of weird stuff. Anyway, at Love Clark, love you guys, love. All right.